welcome back to my channel. So, everyone that voted, thank you very much. Obviously you can see Betty is ready to have her number plate. It was a very close call. 52% of you wanted the border, 48 the not border, but it was close and I did say I would go with your decision, so that's what's going to happen. I'm going to stick around because obviously I don't want to screw any screws or fittings through here. So I'll try and get it as level as I can for now, just so you can see that your chosen plate is the one that she's having. So I hope you've made the right decision and I hope she looks as beautiful as what you expected. So today, just a quick video really for you guys. I want to introduce John properly because he has settled in very well and very fast, and he's going to help me do a little bit of work to Betty today. I told you previously that she needs her anti-roll bar debushes changing, ready for the MOT, and my apprentice John is going to do that today. So come on in, John.
Hiya.
So this is the trouble causer himself. We've had some fun, lots of fun. He's a character, definitely, but he's learning fast and he's doing excellent. So it's really good to have him on the team. Yeah, so when I say he's settled in fast, I mean incredibly fast. So yesterday, you're going to hate me for telling them, but they need to know what I've got to put up with on a daily basis. So yesterday, he arrived at work on time as usual, very punctual, I must say, so which is good. And he arrived at work to do some sort of, what would you call that, a pirouette?
It was kind of a, yeah, I guess you could call it that, yeah.
A pirouette, sort of ballet dancing. Maybe a bit of belly dancing in there thrown. This.
Nice squat as well.
Yeah. So this jump in the air, pirouette, belly dance, shake your ass and squat and fart was my greeting yesterday morning. So yes, he has ridiculously.
I like to call it fartabatics personally.
Fartabatics.
Mixture of acrobatics and farting.
Yeah, I love it. There's I can see a window there, John. Yeah.
If anyone wants me to start a channel doing that, let me know. I can get on that.
He's very good at it. Very good. So, yeah, but it's great to have him on the team, even though that's the kind of nonsense I've got to put up with on a daily basis. But it brings fun and it brings banter. So John's going to be working today on the car. In fact, do you want to have a go now?
Yeah, do it now.
No, I mean like fartabatics.
No, not after last night. We had that curry. I'm not risking that.
Oh God, yeah, don't, yeah. Oh, curry and rum. Curry and rum, he was on last night. We're breaking him in gently. He didn't drink till he met me, apparently.
Stone cold sober now. Go home. First thing I'll do is have a drink.
I love it. But you'll see for yourself, guys, how much he's come on already. He's a good guy, and I'm going to try and get him on our videos as much as possible. Okay, let's do it, John. Right, John, are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah, everything in place, you feel? Yeah, okay.
Good.
So, as we said earlier, it's the anti-roll debushes that we're doing today. I'm just going to actually show you now. So, on Betty, this one in particular has torn and it is knocking when we're driving. So that one's going to be changed, and obviously it would be ridiculous not to change the two. So this one will also be changed. I've got the upgraded bushes here, the Powerflex, and they are from their Heritage collection. So that's what John is going to be fitting today. Okay, John, so if you just want to, you're probably best off just lube them up a little bit, because obviously she's an old girl, is our Betty. Using the BDX there, it's great stuff, guys. I've just bought a case. Cheers, Bulldog. So what size are them, John?
17s.
17 mil.
Bulldog stuff definitely works.
Oh yeah. And your muscles, John, obviously. Obviously, yeah. Couldn't do it without them guns, eh?
That's it.
Yeah, when you're ready, mate.
Nearly there. Should be there before Christmas. We should got some Christmas hats.
Oh, really? Should have got Christmas hats. Good grief. It's exhausting work, this, John. I'm feeling tired. You crack on there, mate.
Drop that one, Jodie.
Yeah. Have a drink, John. There, love.
You do make good coffee.
I do make really good coffee. Undone?
Yeah.
Ah, good stuff.
Right, split. There's a bit of it.
Thanks for that, mate. That's a bit of Betty right there. Okay, so the bush is off. John has managed to get that off. It is in 3 pieces, but it's off. So the new bush there. So basically that separates in the middle. So if you just clean that bar up, John, where the new bush is going to go on, please.
Good.
Yeah, happy with that? So your new bush, and then,
Get some grease in the hole.
yes, lube the bush, John.
So many, you could say that.
Behave yourself. These young guns, eh? Good grief. Right, okay. So I'll pull the bar down for you, mate.
I believe.
Yeah?
Yep.
You on?
Just need to bracket.
Yeah, just get your bracket, love.
See, it says locate your bits on it as well.
Yeah.
Start with my hand so we don't cross thread it.
That's the one. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. So John has done a sterling job, as always. So the bushes, I showed you the first one earlier, is in 3 pieces. The other one wasn't as worn as you saw originally, but why change one without the other? Be daft not to. So, yeah, John's done a great job. Bushes are now in place, changed, lubricated, and the BDX will also protect that rubber from going brittle. So, job done. Well done, John. And before we go, so he's only changed bushes, right? I haven't had him at the beautician's. It looks like you've got some sort of eyebrow dye going on there, John.
I was trying to match yours.
Love it. But great job, John. Thanks, guys.